You're going to want to start by chopping up your chocolate. Until you have some small meltable pieces of chocolate. You're going to want to get a small pot over a medium flame. And just pour your cream in. Once bubbles start forming on the side of your pot, you know it's ready. Then go add your pieces of chocolate to your hot cream and just let the cream melt the chocolate. You have a nice, smooth, silky consistency. You're then going to add your coffee, but if you would like a more fruity flavor, you can always add some dry red wine. Then you're just going to want to stick them into the fridge for about 1 to 2 hours until they're firm. For about 2 hours, you're going to want to start molding them. This part does get very, very sticky. Then you want to set them back in the fridge just to get a little bit more firm for about an hour. Now you're going to want to melt some more chocolate for your outer layer. Preferably you'd like to get some milk chocolate, but if not, you can always use dairy-free chocolate. You're then going to want to start rolling your truffles into your outer layer of chocolate. If you don't want your hands to get so dirty, you can always try using some spoons. They do work also. Now while your chocolate is still warm is going to be the perfect time to add the toppings of your choice. Unless you'd like to add some melted chocolate afterwards. Then you're going to want to stick them back in the fridge just to let the chocolate harden. Thank you so much for watching. Please leave a like and hit that red subscribe button and leave a comment down below on what you would like to see next time.